Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you my squishies. I just made them just a moment ago, but I have more than this. Today I'm gonna be just showing you guys just 3 of them. So first I'm gonna be showing you this. It's an avocado. Yeah, it's super squishy. It's like super, but the back of this squishy is nothing, it's just plain. But you can take this off. You can take this off and you can play this with the heart. Or just with this. This is so cute. And you can put it right back again. You can put it anywhere actually. Super cute. On to the next one. The next one we have Boba Cat. So it's Boba. So we can play in both sides. Like this one, we can play in this side or this side. Boba and tea. Boba tea. I love boba tea. I love the black bobas because it's sweet. I like it. And just the same, it's plain on the back. So every squishy that I made today, it's plain on the back. So yeah, this is not hard to make, but this it's a little hard to make because it's big. But yeah. Okay, on to the next one. The next one is the last one. Actually, it's so quick, right? It's this Pom Pom Purin. I think you guys might like this one because this is my favorite one. So yeah, Pom Pom Purin. We have some hearts going here, and it's wearing a strawberry cute hat, and there's 2 strawberries on the side and plain back. Yeah, this is so cute, you guys. Yeah, this is super duper cute. Yeah, I love this one. It's super squishy too. Okay, now I'm gonna judge. What squishy do you like the most? Which one do you like the most? You can pick. I like this one the most, but if you guys like this one or this one the most, you can make it your own. It's not hard to make. You can make it your own. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye!